Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Robert Metzger from Munich Expo, and I'm quite happy to explain you now in a few words how the eMove360 digital hub is working. First of all, you need to go to one of our events. As you see here on the screen, the next event next week is eMove360 Hybrid 2020 from the 20th to the 22nd of October. You go down. First of all, you need a ticket. As soon as you have chosen one of these tickets, you will get the login data for the digital hub. Then you go to the digital hub. Here you have the possibility to log in. Of course, for myself, all the login data are already implemented. So, but usually you would need to go through the login and put in your password. And now you see what we have here in the digital hub. We have recommended attendees for you, people who are interested in you. You have your own connections. You have your interested list, your skip list. You have your own schedule. You have the whole event agenda. You have the exhibitor list, the attendees, products, and so on. And you can go back to the home page. The most important thing, first of all, of course, is the exhibitor list. You see the virtual booth exhibitors, first of all, like ABB, Ientron, and so on. And you see some of them have a quite nice package already. So if you go to design work, you see the logo, for example, you see texts, what they are offering, you see the representatives of this company, and you see the products. You're able to get in touch with the people and so on. You can get in touch with the company. That's what you can do. You can request a meeting with them. So that's all you can do with these companies. If you go to attendees, you see all the attendees of the event, and yeah, much more, of course. And you can show your interests. For example, I would like to meet Anne Semme. I go to interested, or I go straight to request a meeting. But of course, first of all, I would like to have a connection with her. So I show my interest. And others maybe I'm not so interested in, so I can skip them, or yeah, other possibilities. Yeah, in the event agenda, you see all the events during the show, the keynote speeches, the first events at 10 o'clock at the first day, and so on. You can choose your event, and of course, we just preparing all of them. You will have the live stream sessions when the event is running. And yeah, so you go through the whole event. More or less, that's it. And yeah, you meet all the people of the event. You can have meetings in an own meeting room. You can have chat with all the attendees. And at the end, you really can do business like you do it on a normal trade fair. So thank you very much for your attention. I wanted to keep it short, and yeah, let's see us at eMove360 Hybrid. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.